Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristen and I'd love to have you part of the family, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button right down below. Today's video is going to be a Trader Joe's fall haul, and shout out to my mom for helping me film this. Earlier you probably saw a cute little shop with me, so I took you around Trader Joe's with me and we just kind of got to shop together, and now I'm going to show you the haul of all the goodies I got. Super cute, super fall, so I am so excited for all of these stuff that I got from Trader Joe's. Again, shout out to my mom. Thank you so much for helping me with this. And this is all of the items that I did get. So I am so excited. A lot of stuff is very pumpkin-y, fall inspired, very seasonal and everything like that. So if you go now, you will be able to find all of this good stuff. It is fall time. It is one of my favorite times of the year besides Christmas. I love Christmas as well, or winter. So I'm gonna just pretty much show you guys what all I got. Starting over here, I'm Vanna White. Starting over here, you never go to Trader Joe's without getting a fresh bouquet of flowers. So I got some flowers. They're so cute. I love getting fresh flowers for the house. For some reason, especially around fall, I think it just brings the whole house alive, and you get some fresh scents in there, and it's just so cozy feeling and warm. It just warms my heart. I did get this. This is a Haunted House chocolate cookie kit. I'm going to make this with my girls a little bit later in the year, closer to Halloween, but I thought I'd pick this up now because usually they sell out pretty quickly of things like this. But this is the Trader Joe's Haunted House chocolate cookie kit, and it's pretty much like a gingerbread house but for Halloween time. So I'm so excited to do this with my girls a little bit later. Keep a lookout because I will have a video of more fall things that I'm gonna do. I think I come alive in fall just because I love it so much. So do keep a lookout on my channel and don't forget to subscribe. This isn't super fall. It's not one of their seasonal items, I don't believe, but this is the Trader Joe's Cauliflower Milky, and I just hear so much good about this, that is so delicious, and I am such a pasta and warm feeling kind of girl. Soups and salads and stuff, that is what I like to eat, so I thought I would try this out. Since it's made of cauliflower, it's going to be a little bit less on the carbs than a regular gnocchi would be, so I'm pretty excited for that I'm still kind of doing a healthy little kind of keto meal with this, but as far as the calories, they're actually pretty good. Per 1 cup, it's 140 calories, which is not a lot. So you could add a protein to this and you could make it a whole meal, and it would be a really cute, quick meal for the weekdays if you have kiddos going to school and sports and all that stuff. These two go together, so I'm going to talk about these both together now. These are the Trader Joe's pumpkin bagels, and these smell so delicious. I am so excited for fall, just so I can eat all this yummy goodness. And then also this Trader Joe's pumpkin cream cheese spread. So these together are so good. I'm so excited to try this out. I feel like this is the perfect combination for a warm fall breakfast. Kind of also moving off the topic of the actual fall items, these two aren't so much fall inspired seasonal items, but these are the Trader Joe's organic. This one's the spicy avocado hummus. I love avocado, and I love anything spicy, so this is going to be a really good alternative to a dip that I would dip my veggies in, or pita chips or something like that in. I'm pretty sure these are vegan. This one is the organic buffalo style hummus. Again, I love anything spicy, so I have some really good ideas of what I'm going to be using these guys for. All of this stuff I'm kind of moving towards, hopefully getting more into a vegan lifestyle. I've just been feeling like that's where I've been pulled lately, as far as my diet and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these babies out. I have some good ideas for some cute little snack recipes for those. So again, keep a lookout on my channel for upcoming videos coming very soon. But these are going to be so good. I'm actually grown really fond of hummus lately, just to be an alternative to those dairy like dips, like ranch dips or like green chili dip that we have here in New Mexico. So yeah, moving right along, these two actually go together as well. This is the Trader Joe's Autumnal Harvest Creamy Pasta Sauce, and it's made with pumpkin and butternut squash, so a very, very seasonal staple at Trader Joe's. And then this is the Trader Joe's Fall, I think it's called zucchetti, I'm pretty sure, but it's a butternut squash pasta, and they're in shapes of little pumpkins, kind of. So cute. Just like, I'm dying for all of this fall stuff, if you guys can't tell. But I'm so excited to use these together in a super delicious, yummy recipe. And I believe this is going to be vegan as well. Okay, so next I picked up the Greek non-fat yogurt, and this is in the flavor pumpkin. So this looks so delicious. This is sadly not vegan, but I do try to implement as much vegan like things as I can. Obviously I'm not going to be 100% on it yet because I'm just slowly transitioning, but this looks so good I could not pass it up. And then I'm going to pair it with this caramel apple flavored granola. This would be good on like a vanilla Greek yogurt. I'm so excited to try this out. It says sweet and tart clusters with apple slices, peanuts, and pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds. So this looks so good. Everything smells so delicious and so fall. Okay, now I'm going to talk about these two guys here. And this is the Trader Joe's butternut squash pizza crust, and this one's the cauliflower pizza crust. So these two are going to be an alternative to doing like a regular breaded pizza crust. The cauliflower one has 17 grams of carbs, and the butternut squash has 14 grams of carbs. So instead of doing a very carby pizza, you could do an alternative to this and add all of your yummy like toppings, whatever you like. You can just pretty much add on this and make your own pizza. I thought it'd be super cute for the kiddos to make this too and be able to be like really creative with what they want on top of their pizza. I did pick up this Chile Riano little like frozen dish from Trader Joe's, and this is more for my husband to try. He loves Chile Riano, so I want him to try it out and see if it's worth it so I can get a little bit more. But we're super, like in New Mexico, it is very like green chili, any kind of chili we just love, especially I feel in the fall. Moving right along, I did get these two as well. These are the Trader Joe's pumpkin waffles. These look so delicious. I love anything bread pretty much, so I love waffles, I love all that. And I'm gonna pair it with this Trader Joe's vanilla bean infused Vermont maple syrup. That is a mouthful, but this is so bougie and cute. It's in a glass bottle, but everybody that I've seen like that like has tried this has loved it and said it's like the best maple syrup. So I'm gonna try this out and see if it is the best. So these two cute little snacks are more for my kiddos. This is the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Joe's, and they are pumpkin sandwich cookies with pumpkin cream filling in every bite. So these are super cute, super good. It's pretty much like a pumpkin Oreo, vanilla Oreo kind of thing. But these look so delicious. I might sneak a few. I'm trying to eat better, but fall time, you just gotta eat, you know what I mean? And then this is the corn on the cob popping corn. So I believe you just microwave this and it totally pops into a into popcorn. So I'm excited to do this for my kiddos. If you can see, it looks like just like an ear of corn. So it looks so cute. I think they'll really enjoy making this with me this fall. These are the fall leaf corn tortilla chips, and these look so delicious and they are so cute. If you guys can tell, they are in shape of leaves, like fallen leaves for fall. So adorable. So almost too adorable to eat. But I'm going to pair that with this fall harvest salsa. It's an autumn meringue of fruits and veggies, including pumpkin, apple, and butternut squash. So probably not on the spicy side or anything like that, but probably really delicious. Okay, so this is the Trader Joe's butternut squash mac and cheese. I heard this is a super hot commodity here at Trader Joe's, so I had to pick this up and see if it's worth it. If it is, I definitely think I'm gonna pick up more of these, but this was a hot buy. And then I also picked up these. These are the honey roasted pumpkin ravioli. They're thin stuffed pasta with cheesy pumpkin filling. So that sounds delicious. As you can tell, a lot of things are going to be like pumpkin-y, flavored pumpkin, yeah, everything, butternut squash, all that stuff. Super like seasonal veggies and all that stuff in all of these products, so I think they're gonna be so good. This looks amazing as well. This is the Trader Joe's pumpkin butter. This looks so good. This could go on top of toast. It could go into your oatmeal. It can pretty much go into anything that you like. You could put maybe a little bit in your yogurt on top of those pumpkin pancakes to just be super pumpkin-y. So you can really do whatever you want with this. Even put it on a bagel if you wanted to go a little bit more vegan and not so much with the cream cheese spread. So if you wanted to do more of a vegan option on top of your toast or anything like that, this would be a really good option. I believe it is vegan. So my last two items on my grocery haul are these two. This is a Trader Joe's Autumnal Harvest Soup, and it's a creamy tomato based soup with pumpkin and butternut squash. So if you guys haven't seen the pattern here, you'll see it at the very end, I guess. The Trader Joe's Pumpkin Bisque. This is a creamy pumpkin soup with pumpkin and fall spices. So this looks so good too. So these are like a quick little soup that I can make with like a salad and kind of be like a quick little thing between classes or between picking up kiddos or a quick meal at the end of the day. So I'm super excited for these because I think they're going to be a really good staple. And again, fall is for soup, it's for stews, it's for like all kinds of stuff, warm and cozy meals. So I'm so excited. Alrighty, I think that wraps up my Trader Joe's haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see all the new recipes that I'm going to be making with all of these cute little treats, and leave me a pumpkin or some leaf emojis down below so I know that you made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Hey, yo.